I like being outside, I like being on the water because it benefits my physical and my mental health. It makes me feel better, and having very few barriers between me and being on the water, getting out surfing or paddling, whatever it is, that's one of the reasons why I want to live on the South Shore. It really wasn't a hard decision to get solar panels. It fits my values, and Solar Ascent made that process very simple, very easy. They walked me through each stage. They helped me find the grants that fit our home. They were respectful of my space. They put a little grate around the perimeter so that squirrels or birds don't go in under the panels. Also, seeing a clean job site at the end of the day is really nice. It's those little extra steps that made the difference, and that makes me want to work with them in the future. It is very satisfying to see on your phone, okay, I'm making power today, and that means I'm not going to have a bill at the end of the month. I'll say for a solid year after I got my solar panels, I was checking that app a few times a week for sure. Having solar panels on my home means security, really. It's stability. I've negated a major expense, and that allows me to do other things with my life. To see that I'm producing energy, and contributing not just to my own energy needs, but to the community around me, that's really satisfying.